Dear students, today I am going to discuss on round robin scheduling algorithm important tips. This is very important from the angle while solving the problem. Let's take a case. Assume that you have been given a table where a process is being mentioned, but arrival time is not mentioned. And Qt is given. Qt means quantum time is given. Under that conditions, what you will do? You choose 80 is equal to 0. Unit time of, that is arrival time, is equal to 0. The next case, assume that the process, instead of given in the ascending order, it has been put in a random order. Then what you should do? That means you are given a process like normally we write the process 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So instead of the process like this is being mentioned, the process is being put in a random wise. Like say for example, you have written some process order is like this: 2, 3, 0, 1. If the process order is like this, then what you will do? This is your arrival times. So even if it is mentioned in a random wise arrival times, you should select the process whatever is mentioned at 0. If suppose it is written like P1 is equal to this one, P2 is equal to this one, P3 is equal to this one, P4 is equal to this one, in place of like this. Normally we have seen the problems with this type of futures. So if the process is being put like this, so what you will do? You will look for the process whichever is having a lowest 80 time. So you will select this one first. So P3 will be the first process you should select. Next, if the process arrival time is same, then what you will do? Then you will look for the burst time as a conditions of the burst time which is having a lowest number and a highest priority. So let us take a case like this one. I am writing a PID 80 BT. Let me put is that P1, P2, P3, P4. 4 process I am putting like a case 0, 2, 4, 4, or 0, 2, 4, 4. Let me put it. And there is a burst time is given like a say 4. Then I have put as a 7. Then I have having a 3, and this is I have put as say 5. Under this condition, you will see that what I mentioned is that if the process arrival time is same, arrival time in these two process arrival time is same. So here you see that one is arrival time with the lowest burst is 3, another is having a burst time 7. So which you will select? You will select which is having a lowest burst time. So if the process 80 is same, then select the process based on low burst times. That is. Next, Assume that you have a process where 80 is not mentioned as 0 but starts from say 1. Like for example, 80 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Under these conditions, when you are writing a Gantt chart, what you will do? You will write draw a Gantt chart box. Then first arrival time 0 to 1, you keep it as blank, and then onwards you should start. So here what is that? CPU is, here is CPU is ideal state. In the ideal state, CPU is in the ideal state. Next, one more important parameter, 5. Let me put it like that. If the process to BT, that is burst time, is same, then select based on low 80. That means if I am having a PID followed by 80 and BT, say P1, P2, P3, P4, and having arrival time 1, 2, 3, 4 with the process is 8, 6, 6 and says I can put it as 7. So here you try to see the BT is same. So what you will do? You will look for a arrival time which is the lowest and select based on this one, and thereby you prepare the process under the Gantt chart and you incorporate the value over here. So these are the following important tips which you have to remember while solving the round robin scheduling algorithms. Thank you.